Good day, YouTube. This is Jay with Falling Forward Financial. What a day for Senseonics. Wow, that's just amazing. The run, 80% run. If I'd have known that, I would have definitely bought some more. Anyway, I wanted to start off with a quote here. It says, "My therapist set half a glass of water in front of me. He asked if I was an optimist or a pessimist, so I drank the water and told him I was a problem solver." I thought that was pretty good. Hopefully everybody got to drink quite a few shares of Senseonics today. Wow, just amazing run. And I stuck in my big toe and tried to get more shares, and it never filled. And I was watching some other things, and I didn't think it would have quite a run like this. I was kind of watching it dance around in here. I think I tried was going to try a 250 limit order, and then it just started running up, and then I just said the heck with it from there. But I did get 10 shares this morning, so better than nothing. Almost doubled my money, so just kind of amazing. I don't think I've ever done that on a stock before with a 57% buy rating. You can see some of my orders that I had here. Tried 10 at $1.50, and I think this was after I had bought some, and it was just kind of right around that range, and I was gonna try to buy some more, but obviously didn't fill. It looks like about an hour after I tried buying them right in here, I tried it again, but it didn't happen, so this would have been the last drop to get in. But anyway, if you bought any of this today or yesterday, it would be nice to know how many shares you bought and what your cost basis is. I made a video on this last night, the 10 things to know before investing in Senseonics Holding, and so you might want to check out that video as well. I'll link that in the description. But back to the video here, why I'm making the video today. Why Senseonics stock skyrocketed 80% today. Shares of Senseonics Holdings soared 80.4% on Tuesday after the medical technology company struck a deal with one of the largest nonprofit health plans in the country. Emblem Health said it would provide coverage for Senseonics SENS continuous glucose monitoring, or CGM, system, effective immediately. And so that's why you see the run-up today. The move grants Sensonic access to roughly 2.9 million Emblem Health members in New York, New Jersey, and Connecticut. We're excited to see additional coverage for SENS and appreciate the payer community's recognition that CGM is now standard of care for patients using insulin to manage their diabetes. Senseonics CEO Tim Goodnow said in a press release, "Improved glucose control has always been the goal for healthcare professionals and patients." Senseonics SENS system helps adults with diabetes track their glucose levels. It uses a sensor that's inserted subcutaneously in the upper arm by a medical professional. A smart device worn over the sensor transmits data to a mobile app that displays glucose values and alerts. Watch my other video. It kind of goes into a little bit more in depth on how that works, and goes into the website as well. SENS offers patients a new choice among the CGM class that delivers industry-leading accuracy and improved patient experience, and an array of unique features intended to afford people the opportunity to achieve improved health outcomes. And so just thought that was a real interesting article, and some really good information about Senseonics. This just kind of goes over some frequently asked questions. Might solve some of your questions, and kind of touched on some of the questions that I have about the company. Is Senseonics a buy right now? It's got kind of a different mix, and it'll be interesting to see if that changes tomorrow. In regards to the analysts have issued a buy, hold, sell ratings for Senseonics in the last year. There are currently 1 sell, 4 hold, and 3 buy ratings on the stock. Again, that could change here the way it's running up and what happened with it today. What stocks does Market Beat like better than Senseonics? And I'll let you go ahead and read that information, but there's better questions here. What is Senseonics' next earnings date? This will be another date to keep in mind. Is scheduled to release its next quarterly earnings announcement on Thursday, March 11, 2021. And how were Senseonics' earnings last quarter? Senseonics released its earnings results on Monday, November 9th. The company reported 10-cent earnings per share for the quarter, missing the consensus estimate of 6 cents by 4 cents. The business earned $77 million during the quarter, compared to analysts' expectations of $0.79 million. What guidance has Senseonics issued on next quarter's earnings? Updated its fourth quarter 2020 after hours earnings guidance on Wednesday, December 23rd. The company provided earnings per share guidance for the period. The company issued revenue guidance of $3.5 to $3.5 million, compared to the consensus revenue estimate of $2.49 million. What price target have analysts set for SENS? 8 brokers have issued 12-month target price for Senseonics stock. The forecast range from 25 cents to $1 on average. They anticipate Senseonics share price to reach 73 cents in the next year. This suggests that the stock has possible downside of 53.6. And here's just kind of some key competitors and what other stockholders of Senseonics own. And I thought it was interesting, AMD was in here. I think there's all kinds of people that own AMD. As you follow my channel, I've already made a couple AMD videos. This Senseonics has been a really popular stock as well. I used to, well, I still have a couple shares and probably do a video on that at some point in time, but I'm not going to read the rest of these questions. I kind of hit the major ones, and you can go ahead and pause the video and read the rest there for yourself. Again, there's their website, just Senseonics.com. And just wanted to make a quick video, and again, if you'd go ahead and hit the like button for me, as well as subscribe. I'm trying to get up to 200 by the end of the month. Just wanted to make a quick video about Senseonics. I'm going to check the price again tomorrow, and I might be purchasing some more shares. I was preoccupied with work and had a couple other orders in on some other stocks, so I didn't get this one fulfilled like I wanted it to, but I got 10 shares, so it's better than nothing, but whoopee. But anyway, like I said, if you bought any of this or yesterday, it would be nice to know your cost basis as well as how many shares, and would just give us kind of something to talk about, and what your plans are long term or short term with Senseonics, if you're just trading it or holding it for the long term. Again, this is Jay, Following Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.